Okay.
Hello, today is August 2nd. We're going to harvest a box of honey today. So to start off, I took off the roof, and what I'm going to do is use this wire cutter to slide it under the box to separate any comb that's attached to the bottom box. So first I'm going to use a wedge, a pry bar, just to lift it up so I can get this wire cutter started. And then what I'll do is I'll then slide it through, all the way through slowly to avoid killing too many bees, and then I'll let that sit for a while to let the bees clean up any loose honey, and then we'll remove the box.
Alright, and what's on top there? That's called the quilt?
That's the quilt, and I already took off the roof, which is just sitting off to the side right now, just to give you some space.
Okay, well I have to keep this on while doing it.
So here we
I'm
go.
going to try to go through this way then.
Just getting it started to get my wire in there.
The bees' water dish, the entrance to the hive.
There we go. It looks like we got all the way in. So then I'm going to start slowly pulling it through on both sides.
Mom, look at how many tomatoes I still got. I still have more tomatoes.
Whoa, awesome. Keep going.
A little tight, so I'm going to tie it up on this side.
We know it's time to harvest because once the bottom box starts getting full, we just have 4 boxes. We need to always provide a open space for them to expand to, or they might leave.
It's actually the first time using this.
Wow.
There goes our
Someone might be laying an egg.
there goes our chicken. Pretty loud.
Oh, cool, Oliver. We got one kid getting tomatoes from our garden, the other picking up an egg from the nesting box. Yeah, because they sing. Nice. Almost through, Kev?
Yeah.
You want me to take it? Okay.
It's funny.
Looks like we're getting some.
What's that? Some honey's coming through?
Yeah. Maybe some bees as well.
Yeah. Be some casualties.
So like, pull it all the way through. So obviously there's honey and comb on there. Some bees.
Propolis, maybe?
Yeah, so we'll let that sit for a little bit, and then we'll come back and take off the box and try to get the bees out and bring the box inside.